Oh, why today has to be such a hard bitch? What the fuck are you doing under the ceiling fan? Hey guy, I'm just doing something right now. I just like to have my fun time. This is pretty fun if you ask me. Molly, did you watch the video where Dufany got on a ceiling fan? Yes, I did. And it's so fun. I decided to do it in my mom's room. Or your room, if my ass. No! Get down from there! You can't make me, Dad. How are you gonna get up here? Because guess what? I'm going so fast you can't even turn off the fan. Because I'll just hit you. No, you get down from there right now. I don't want to do this again. Like what happened to the egg. I fucking got pissed at him. I don't give a shit. So why don't you go and bang it, baby? Nobody goes and bang it. You know what, Molly the ass? I'm gonna trip this fan on high. It's a fucking snowman. Look at you go, you bitch! I'm gonna punch you when you're going spinning! Yeah! Get off my goddamn fan! Yeah. What the fuck did you do that for? There's a reason why I gotta spank your ass for that shit! So you like all the drama?